Okay, so for the third task of the Hello World API testing, uh, I have npm initiated in this particular folder where I'm using this uh, dependencies and I have created this script. Okay, so this is the index.js file, the basic simple code, and this is the basic simple test like this is the name of the test, and then asynchronously we are going to the local host, and after going to the local host we are checking the inner text of the body, which should be hello world with exclamation mark, that we have written over here. And this is the main YAML file. So this is the default template that I have picked up. So if we go in the workflow, this is the node.js. So if we click on configure, then this is the basic template. I have modified it just a bit. So the modification is like I have changed the name. So this will be the name. And on push of my main branch, I'm running the flow. I am using the Ubuntu server. Now here I am using the simple only one version of the node. So the default template was kind of like checking for the multiple versions. So I am using just one. Then I am checking out to my code. I am using the node.js, and the environment is getting set up from the GitHub side. And then I'm simply using the npm install to install the dependency. I'm writing this npx install playwright because sometimes what happens, it doesn't find these dependency load. So that's why I explicitly written it over here. In npm start and npm test, the scripts that I have written over here. Here I am running the server in the background. So now let's check the output. So if we go to the jobs, okay, the one passed. This is successful. Let's check it out once again. I'm changing some code so that my test will fail. Now let's check it, because the text is not expected. Here the text is different, and in the testing I'm checking for the different thing. So let's see this build. Okay, so it's testing. Now this got failed because they are saying here this is the expected one and it received this one. So if we change it back to the original, so my pipeline is getting triggered again. Now it's installing the playwright. It is starting the server. Now it's testing. Running test, running test for one worker, and it is passed now. Yeah, that's it.